tired of feeling drained on keto? Forget those overpriced electrolyte powders. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own science-backed super effective keto electrolyte drink for just pennies a serving. This is the ultimate DIY recipe that will crush the keto flu and keep you energized all day long. First things first, let's talk about the recipe. Getting the right balance of minerals is absolutely crucial. Here's what you need for one serving. Grab a 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt for about 590 milligrams of sodium. This is vital for maintaining blood pressure and cellular function. Next, add a 1/4 teaspoon of potassium chloride, which is a salt substitute. This gives you around 650 milligrams of potassium. Perfect for preventing muscle cramps and supporting your nervous system. Now for the secret weapon, 1/8 of a teaspoon of magnesium glycinate powder. This provides about 100 milligrams of magnesium in its most bioavailable form, meaning your body absorbs it easily without the digestive issues you get from cheaper types. Mix all of this into 16 to 20 ounces of filtered water. For a little flavor and some vitamin C, you can squeeze in the juice of half a lemon or lime. This formula is designed to perfectly match what your body loses on keto, making it a fantastic alternative to expensive brands like LMNT. So, you've got your ingredients, but how do you mix them without getting that gritty, sandy texture? I've got you covered. The process is key for a smooth drink every time. Start with room temperature water. Cold water is your enemy here because it slows down dissolution. Add your magnesium glycinate powder first. It takes the longest to dissolve, so give it a head start. Whisk it vigorously for about 30 seconds until it completely disappears. Once the magnesium is gone, add your pink Himalayan salt and potassium chloride together. Stir continuously for another minute. Don't rush this step. Finally, add your citrus juice. The acid not only adds flavor, but also helps with the final dissolution. Let the whole mixture rest for 2 to 3 minutes, then give it one last stir before you drink. Here's a pro tip for you. If you want to make this even easier, pre-mix your dry ingredients. Combine the salt, potassium, and magnesium in a small jar. Then, whenever you need a boost, just add 1 teaspoon of your custom powder to 16 ounces of water. If you're still struggling with a bit of grit, try warming your water slightly, not hot. Just warm more. Use a small blender bottle with a mixing ball. This will give you that smooth, professional texture you get from store-bought drinks. Now, let's be honest, drinking the same thing every day can get boring. But your hydration habit doesn't have to be. Let's get creative with some flavor variations. For a classic citrus blast, you can't go wrong with lemon and lime. Want something more tropical? Try a bit of orange zest with lime juice. Or for an energizing kick, a few drops of grapefruit juice works wonders. If you're into herbal infusions, gently muddle some fresh mint leaves in your glass before adding the water for a super refreshing taste. Cucumber slices create a cooling, spa-like drink, and believe it or not, basil leaves are surprisingly delicious and unique. For those with a sweet tooth, there are plenty of zero-carb options. A few drops of liquid stevia, in flavors like vanilla, berry, or lemon, can transform your drink. You can also use a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar-free flavoring extracts. Just be sure to check the labels on any powdered drink mixes to ensure they're truly keto-friendly. You can even get seasonal with it. In the summer, try a combination of watermelon extract and fresh mint. For winter, a little cranberry flavoring with lime feels festive. And in the fall, a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with a dash of cinnamon is cozy and beneficial. The best part is that all these variations keep the core electrolyte balance intact. So go ahead, experiment and find your perfect flavor combination. Making your own keto electrolytes is a total game changer. It's affordable, effective, and completely customizable. Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments which flavor variation is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more keto tips and recipes. See you next time.